Hey guys, Jess here. I have a quick video for you today. I thought it would be helpful if I might share the way I keep up with my project life scrapbooking, or pocket life, or pocket scrapbooking as other people call it. Now I know traditional project life, it was designed to scrapbook by the week. But I personally do not do that. I found that too overwhelming, but I do love the idea of pocket scrapbooking or project life scrapbooking in general. I love the combination of photos, the how simple it is, the look of it, and I think it's a really great way to capture a lot of moments in a single page or layout, if I dare call it that. But doing it by week is just way too daunting for me. So I do it by month. And what I do is I capture the moments in each month of the year of the album that I'm creating, and I insert those into the album. So, for example, what you're seeing in this video is I'm compiling 2019 photos to try to finish out my son's 2019 album. So what I was finding is that I'm falling behind, obviously. We are halfway through 2020, and I was like, there's got to be a better way to kind of keep up with this. And so I came up with printing ahead, which is something I don't normally do when I scrapbook normally, but for this, it just seems to make sense. So I just sat down, put on some YouTube videos, and I went to town going through my 2019 photos, and I've gone and just printed all the ones for each month that I wanted to capture in my album. Now, some of these photos I've already done layouts for, some I do plan on doing layouts for, but my project life layouts or my pocket page layouts really tell some of the other stories in the month and just capture those moments. I don't mind duplication in my albums. So I go through and I pre-print out my photos, and I choose, kind of a generalized placement. Obviously, it's not going to be permanent because I'm not actually creating them. I'm just printing the photos and putting them in the sleeves. And that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going through, crossing each month out on a list I've made. And then once I've printed those all out, I actually have a drawer on the side of my desk that I just keep these all in. And so when I feel like doing project life one night, like I don't feel like getting involved in a 12 by 12 or 9 by 12 layout, I grab one of these pre-prepared project life pages, and I start scrapbooking. I tell you what, it's been a game changer. Like, I don't feel like I'm behind anymore. I mean, I still have to scrapbook them, but that's the fun part. Like, the part of like preparing and printing and like getting all the photos in order, I was taking like so much time when I was getting ready to scrapbook these to do that. So by the time when I got to scrapbooking these layouts, it was like an hour or so more in to the process, and I was just like, oh, I still have to scrapbook this, and it's supposed to be fun, not stressful. So I thought pre-printing these photos and putting them into the sleeves was a really great prep work, so I can actually just kind of be more efficient and be able to just dive right into creating a layout, if that makes any sense. Because with these project life pages, I'm printing out, anywhere from, 5 to 9 photos depending on the design of the pages. So it just has really worked great for me. And so I thought, in case anybody else has not thought of this, I would share it. And now I have a nice little drawer full of project life layouts that I'm ready to do at any given moment when I feel in the mood. And it's kind of nice just to do something mindless when you don't feel like being creative, and just sitting there and watching your favorite TV show or YouTube and just printing, looking through old photos and taking the time to do that. And you don't like feel the pressure of like, oh, I got to get these photos printed so I can get this page scrapbooked. So it's just been like I said, a real game changer for me. And so I've, thought I would share it with you, because that's what I'm all about, is sharing my experiences, my tips, my tricks with all of you. And I'm curious to know how you guys do Project Life. If you do Project Life, if you could put a comment below and share with me, do you do it by week? Do you do it by month? Do you just do it randomly? Do you have a separate Project Life album, or do you include them in your regular 12 by 12, 8.5 to 11, 9 by 12 albums? Kind of mix it up a bit. I'd love to hear how you scrap Project Life or Pocket Pages. So certainly leave a comment below. That would be great. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And if you guys are revisiting my channel, thank you so much. And you've already subscribed, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you give me a like and continue to support me. I so appreciate it very, very much. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little helpful tip on Project Life prep. Here's some end shots of the final product. What I got through was about 5 months of photos, and I'm chipping away at them as we speak. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy, scrappy day, and until next time, have a great night. Bye.